Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And today I am going to show you how to make a more subtle leaf vine headband. Now on a previous tutorial I showed you how to make a headband with these large leaves, and today I'm going to show you how to make the headband with more subtle small leaves. So let's get started, shall we? For this tutorial I'm using a 2.5mm hook, which is what I would suggest, but you can use a small hook if you like, if you want smaller leaves. And to start with, I'm just going to start by making a slip knot. And first of all, I'm going to chain 9. This is to make my bottom leaf. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what I'm going to do is into the third chain from the hook, I'm going to insert my hook. I'm going to work 1 single crochet. Now I'm going to work a single crochet in each of the chains back down. So it's 2 single crochet, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what I'm going to do to make sure that this leaf is more centralised for my vine is I'm going to slip stitch into the single crochet at the end. Now you can chain however many you want until the next leaf you want to do. So go away, chain as many as you like. I'm going to chain 15 now, and then I'll show you how to make another leaf that is not on the end. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whoopsie daisy, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 7. Oh, I was going to chain 15. I've got 17. Never mind. It doesn't really matter with this pattern. You can chain as many as you like in between leaves. So, to make another leaf, I'm going to chain another 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in the third chain from the hook, I'm going to insert my hook and work a single crochet. Now I want 7 single crochet in total, so I'm going to work a single crochet into each of the next 6 chains. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So chain as many as you like, make as many leaves as you like. I would recommend having about 50 for going around the head, and then you want a good amount to tie with. So usually I would do probably about 80 to 100. So go away and do that and come back for the next stage and I'll show you what to do next. So when you have reached your desired length for your vine, you're going to cut your yarn and you're going to pull through. Now I always like to start them with a leaf and finish them with a leaf, because I just think it looks a little bit nicer. But that's where we're up to. So next we need another colour yarn to do the rest of the leaf. Now usually I use an alternative green, but sometimes I like to do brown and yellow mixed together. I like to mix things up a little bit here and there. So let's get on with the leaves, shall we? So now we have our second colour yarn. You could use the same yarn if you really wanted, but I just like to mix and match them. I just think it looks nicer. So what we're going to do is we'll start with the base sleeve, and you want to go on the chain side, not the side where you put your stitches here. So we're going to insert our hook, and we're going to loop over, pull through, and we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a half treble crochet. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through all 3 remaining loops. We're going to do that again. We're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. I'm going to do it one more time. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops. Now we're going to do a double crochet. So yarn over once, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now we're going to do a half double crochet. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through the remaining 3 loops. I'm going to do another half double. So we're going to yarn over, insert our hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now in this end bit, what we're going to do is we're going to do a single crochet in the chain 2 space here. We're going to do another single crochet in the same space. So you insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through both loops. Now we're going to do a peacock stitch. So we're going to chain 2. We're going to insert our hook into this part of the previous single crochet, yarn over, pull through, and yarn over. Without yarning over, you're going to just pull through that loop. And then you're going to do 2 more single crochet. 1 and 2. Now we're going to do a half double crochet again. We're just mirroring what we did on the other side. So we want another half double crochet, like so. Now a double crochet and a treble crochet. 1, 2 treble crochets. So you're treble crocheting in the next stitch, and then you're going to treble crochet in the next stitch. Then what you're going to do is you're going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the last stitch. And there you have your little leaf. Now you may notice that this leaf is bigger than the leaves on this one. Now this is just because I used a finer yarn with this one, and I also used a finer hook. So I used a 2mm rather than a 2.5. And this one I'm using DK yarn. That one I didn't. I used a finer yarn. But there you go. There's your cute little leaf. So I'll just show you again how to do it. It is rather simple, but we'll do it on the next leaf. So we've done the end leaf. Again, we're going into the chained side. Look through, should I say? And we're going to chain 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do a treble crochet, another treble crochet, another half treble crochet, another half treble crochet, a single crochet, a double crochet, sorry, a half double crochet. I'll get my stitches all muddled up. Another half double crochet, and then 2 single crochets, chain 2 peacocks, two more single crochet, half double crochet, another half double crochet, a double crochet, three half treble crochets, so 1, 2, and 3, chain 3, and then slip stitch. And on, pull through. Again, another one. Just going to pull our yarn through. Make sure you hold the tail so that doesn't come through. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then half treble crochet, another half treble crochet, another half treble crochet, a double crochet, a half double crochet, another half double crochet, and then you chain to a space at the end, single crochet, single crochet, chain 2 peacock, 2 single crochet, a half double crochet, another half double crochet, double crochet, a half treble crochet, another half treble crochet, another half treble crochet, chain 3, and slip stitch into the last stitch, and there you go. Put yarn over, pull through. Do that for all of your leaves, all your leaf stems, to turn them into full leaves. And then once you've done that, all it's a case of is just weaving in your ends, these little tail ends, and you're done. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please do press that like button and subscribe. And stay tuned for other tutorials, because I release a tutorial every week. I alternate weeks as well, so one week is a basic stitch tutorial, the next week we're on to full, we do full pattern tutorials. So there you have it. This one is your subtly fine headband. And also, before I forget, don't forget to tune in for my I Made It So You Don't Have To, which I release every month. I have my recovery blogs on Mondays. I also may have a bit of a secret surprise coming for everybody. And if you want to support what I'm doing here and the channel, you can always go and check out my Etsy store, Ko-fi store, Tido, Patreon, where on all of them I release my own patterns written. And yeah, so it was lovely having you here, and I hope to see you next week. Bye.